External CSS. It is used to define style for many HTML pages. Whatever properties or else whatever attributes you have written within this external CSS file, the same CSS file can be used in many web pages and many HTML pages. To use an external style sheet, add a link to it in the head section of a HTML page. How we can write? This is the head open tag and this is the head closing tag. In between these open and head tags, link tag has to be added. With this link tag, two attributes has to be written. First one is relation. For this relation tag, style sheet should be value href, which CSS style you want to add. CSS style file name has to be added here. Always CSS style file has to be saved in the format of .css extension. So this is the one file, style.css file, that I am adding in this HTML page. Here one program I have written. In this program I am going to write two elements, heading and next one p tag, paragraph, and here I am closing p tag, and here I am going to save this file. This file, whenever I run this file, will be displayed only the normal text. I want to apply different style for this text by including another CSS file. Here one more file I have created as a style.css. Here what I am going to write? I am going to write different properties here. Color dot blue, and next tag is p background color L. See, two properties I have written in this style1.css file. Always this CSS external file has to be saved with the extension of .css. Here these all are the different style CSS properties. These style CSS properties I want to apply for these two tags. How I have to do? First I need to include this CSS style tag inside this head tag. Import that file in this head tag by using this link relation. Relation should be style sheet, close the double inverted comma, and here should be href. Href, what is the name of our CSS file? Style1.css. Style1.css, double inverted comma, close the link tag. Save this file, and this also we have to save. Then run this file. Here you can see the both properties has applied for both p tag and h1 tag. I hope you all understood how to add all these CSS styles in a HTML elements. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in a comment box. Definitely I will try to resolve your doubts.